Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. This video explains how to set up the Quora Pixel on your Shopify store using the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app. You'll configure the pixel, link it to Google Tag Manager, and verify its functionality before launching your ads. Before starting, prepare your Shopify store and Quora Ads account, including the Pixel ID for the next steps. Open the Shopify App Store, install the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app, and access your Shopify dashboard. Go to Theme Activation, enable Wixpa GTM app embed, and save. Return to the Wixpa dashboard, refresh the page, and activate the theme. Now copy the custom code from the screen and head to Settings and Customer Events. Add Custom Pixel. Give the custom pixel a name, paste the code, and set the required permissions to Not Required. Connect the pixel. Once connected, return to Wixpa GTM and click Add Pixel. To create Quora Pixel configurations, either choose an existing Google Tag Manager container or continue with your Google account. Select Google, grant necessary permissions. Click Next to proceed. Choose the appropriate advertising platform, name the pixel, and add Pixel ID. If you don't have Quora Pixel ID, create it with Partner Google Tag Manager and copy the provided Quora Pixel ID. Add Quora Pixel ID, leaving the remaining settings on default. Click Next. This process will take some time as data needs to populate. After completing the setup, go to Google Tag Manager, open your newly created container, and you can see new data has been appeared. Now go to Versions and click Preview the live Quora Pixel in Google Tag Manager, enter your store URL, and connect using Tag Assistant. Perform customer actions like viewing a product, adding it to the cart, and checkout. Now return to Tag Assistant Preview mode, and as you can see, tags being fired successfully. You can also check this within your Quora Ads account to confirm the data is being sent. Follow these steps to verify the success of your pixel. You can use the Wixpa Google Tag Manager app to collect accurate conversion data from your Shopify store without writing code. If this tutorial helps, like the video, subscribe, share, and comment for assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.